that Windows 10 is also we can say that Windows 10 is the operating system which is provided by the Microsoft Office. But in Windows 10 we are going to discuss about what is the features in Windows 10 and it is the most popular nowadays. For example, that's we are going to discuss about the features of Windows 10. First of all, we should know about the what is Windows 10. Windows 10 is a operating systems which is provided by Microsoft Office, and we can say that Windows 10 is the operating systems in which it helps to control all the parts of computer. Means here we are going to deal about the Windows 10. For example, that's we are going to discuss about what are the feature of Windows 10. Before that, we are going to discuss about type of software. Software means what? It is a collection of programs is called software. There are two type of software. First is system software and second is application software. Now we are going to discuss about the what is operating systems and its features. First of all, we are going to discuss about the system software. System software is also called the operating systems. Means that we are going to discuss about first of all operating systems. Operating systems means a system which is used to control all the parts of computer which is connected to our systems. For example, Windows 10. Windows 10 is the latest and the most secured version of Windows. It is developed by the Microsoft company and its features are many. First feature is that security system. Second is the management and its tools. New features of Microsoft Office are there are the many features in Microsoft Office. For example, more personal means that when we click on the Microsoft Office, there are the option to create the and manage the operating systems also. For example, that's when we click on the mouse, right click and select the option personal, and there are many options to set the computer. For example, that first feature of the continuum. Continuum is what? There are three features which are the inbuilt ones. That is the touchpad also. Touchpad. Touchpad means what? It is a view in the tabular format. Means tablet formats where we can manage by touching its equipment. For example, that here see that the table mode is there, and in that table mode we can view the different type of mode just like mobiles. Means now how to enable this continuum? Means just click on the notification and present the notification area taskbar. Then after this will open the action center panel on the right side of the desktop, and again click on the tablet mode button. Icon is this and place at the bottom of the action of center. Means that it is the how to we can set the tablet mode. In the tablet mode, start menu open in the full screen and along with the current active window. If any part of that are tablet mode, maximum all the apps removes your taskbar icons and leaves the essential notification table. For example, let's see here, it is the tablet mode, and now we can see that there are different types of program we have installed in these systems, and these all are in the mode of tablet mode. Now we are going to next point. Next point is that task view. In the task view, how the window is appear. Just we can see on the right click on the task, and here we are seeing the properties, and these are the task view. We can see that they are the navigation, jumps, toolbar. These all are the task view option. Means that here we can see that the time area, notification area is over there, and the current program is running over here, and these icons are present on the taskbar. Now searching made easier. It is the most feature of the Windows. If the all files are stored in our systems and we are unable to find the where my file is stored in the hard drives anywhere. Just one feature we can see that now we are going to search by the help of the search button. Here we are searching the name file, that's Windows, Windows, Windows. See here, when we write the Windows on the search bar option and the related to this all topics were displaying there. It is the features of the search button. Next is that we are going to how we can apply this all. Here steps are given there, so which I have shown to you. Next is Edge. The Windows 10 browser Edge. Edge means what? It is the browser through which we can access the different type of page on the internet. And Edge is also just like a Windows, Google Chrome, Firefox, Mozilla, and Internet Explorer. It is the upgraded version of the Internet Explorer. Edge. It is the upgraded version of the Internet Explorer. And Action Center means a new notification center of the Windows 10 display the alert for your devices or the notification. Means that we can say that notification area where display the about any features and any unwanted message, block message by the display by the antivirus, it is display on the action area. Note, quick action are set of the gives the access frequently use the setting taskbar. Now we are going to see about that window hello. It is also the feature of the Windows. When we start the window, it gives the one message the starting of the window. Means that we are going to creating a new desktop. How we can create the new desktop in the Windows 10. Here are the steps, and these steps will discuss on the next topics. Means for example that these all topics would be discussing the next topics. Means that how we are going to open and how we are going to create a new desktops. For example, in a Windows 10 we can create a multiple desktop or the organizing different state of the application. To create a desktop, the following steps are given there. And click on the task view and button and locate the taskbar, and the task view panel opens the display that preview of the all the open windows, and click on the new desktop buttons and the new button option will display in the two desktop. And now click on the thumbs to new desktop and it the reply the desktop was display. And in this way we can create the new desktop in the Windows. Now next topic is that moving apps between the desktop. Just we can drag and drop, and by the help of drag and drop we can move the apps, or by right clicking on the action and there will be option will come the move. Closing the desktop. This is the next feature of the Windows. To close the desktop, open the task panel and place the mouse pointer on the desktop you want to close and click on the close button in the present and the upper right corner of the function to the desktop. Means if you want to close the any buttons, just we can place that. How we can click the right corner of the buttons and there the button will display the close. This is the chapter second, and next topic will discuss utility of the programs, means which is installed in the Windows 10 will the next. Thank you.